Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Pramisi Putri. I'm from class 08CJ002 from Universitas Pamulang. In this video, I will present a film analysis as part of the final exam for the Popular Literature course. The film we'll be discussing is one of the newest live-action musical full of fantasy, drama, and also meaningful cultural and social message, Snow White 2025. Let's take a look at the analysis. Before we dive into the analysis of Snow White 2025, let's take a moment to reflect. Have you ever felt judged or mistook just because of your appearance or social status, or maybe you've seen how envy and insecurity can lead to harmful action? The film reviews a classic fairy tale with fresh perspective on identity, jealousy, and empowerment. It explores cultural ideas like beauty standard, gender roles, and social hierarchy while touching on timeless issues like discrimination and self-worth. Let's take a closer look together.
This was my father's kingdom, a place of fairness, but the queen changed everything.
Take him away!
Your Majesty,
What did you say?
the people need some kindness.
You know, I really don't remember you being this opinionated.
The first social issue. The social issue is envy and toxic beauty standard. For the evidence, mirror on the wall. Who is the fairest of them all?
Magic mirror on the wall. Who is the fairest of them all?
Famed is thy beauty, Majesty.
This iconic line, spoken by the evil queen, reflects society's obsession with physical beauty and the toxic standard that can lead to envy and cruelty. The queen's deepest need to be the most beautiful symbolizes how social pressure to meet unrealistic ideals and destroy self-esteem and full harmful behavior. Snow White 2025 emphasizes that true beauty is not just physical but lies in kindness, courage, and integrity. For the next, gender stereotype and empowerment. For the evidence, one day my prince will come. This means traditionally, this line implies that a woman's happiness depends on being researched by a prince. However, in the 2025 version, Snow White is portrayed as more independent and resilient. She challenges gender stereotype by actively fighting for her freedom and justice rather than passively waiting. This modern adaptation encourages audience to rethink outdated gender roles and embrace empowerment. For the next symbol of increase and transformation. For the evidence, the fairest blood must be spilled. This quote, uttered by the queen when ordering the huntsman to kill Snow White, symbolizes the threat to innocence and purity in a corrupt world. Snow White, escape and survival represent transformation from a naive princess to a brave, self-reliant leader. The forest, animal, and dwarf all symbolize the power of community and nature in helping one overcome evil. For the next, social hierarchy and discrimination. For the evidence, this is just a maid in rags unfit to rule. This statement shows the prejudice against those of lower social status. The queen attempts to strip Snow White of her rightful place because she deems her unworthy based on appearance and rank. This reflects real-world social heroes where people are judged by their background instead of their true qualities. The film invites audience to challenge class discrimination and value equality. For the next cultural element, folklore and fairy tale motif. For the evidence, the apple is the key to eternal sleep. It means the apple is a powerful cultural symbol rooted in European folklore, representing temptation and betrayal. In Snow White 2025, the apple curse remains used how deception can be hidden behind beauty. This motif connects modern viewers to ancient storytelling tradition while giving the tale a fresh, thought-provoking twist. And the next modern relevance, self-worth and resilience. For the evidence, she may be broken, but the will rise. It means this line reflects Snow White's inner strength. Even after betrayal and near death, she chose to fight back and reclaim her life. It speaks to contemporary audience about relations, self-love, and the courage to overcome adversity. The film used this journey to inspire viewers, especially young women, to stand up for themselves.
A lovely maiden I now behold.
I look at you, and I just want to be the fairest of them all.
The Queen is evil. You must flee into the woods.
My parents always said this forest was a magical place. Hello? Is there anybody here?
It's a human.
What did you think I was?
Nothing. Ghost.
You'll be safe from the Queen here.
The Queen stole everything from all of us. I'm gonna need your help. It's time to restore our kingdom.
Waiting on a wish, holding out for someday, hoping somehow, some way, there comes a miracle.
Find Snow White.
I close my eyes, I see the girl I meant to be.
This is our kingdom, and now we're here to take it back.
You were saying.
I'm sorry, my dear. Did I frighten you?
And in conclusion, Snow White 2025 might appear to be just a remake of a classic fairy tale, but beneath its enchanting visual and musical scene lies a meaningful exploration for cultural themes and social issues. Through its portrayal of toxic beauty standards, gender empowerment, class discrimination, and self-worth. The film delivers messages that remain relevant today. By reviving this timeless story with modern values, Snow White 2025 not only entertain but also encourage viewers to reflect on real life challenges with empathy and courage. And last, I hope this video can broaden our perspective that fairy tales are not only magical story but also carry important cultural message and social issue. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this has been useful and inspiring, encourage you to view film in a more critical and meaningful way. I'm Amanda Pramisi Putri from class 0XCG002. from Universitas Pamulang. See you next time and literary greeting.
So whistle while you work.